Now let's talk about a transpose of a matrix. What is transpose of a matrix? A transpose of a matrix can be obtained by interchanging the rows of a matrix into columns, or the columns into rows of a matrix is called a transpose of a matrix. Let's have an example of a matrix A. As you can see, the matrix A contains 3 rows and 3 columns. We can interchange the rows into columns and the columns into rows. It's very simple, students. Now, as you can see in this example, I have placed the elements of the first row of matrix A into the first column of matrix AT, which is actually a transpose matrix. Similarly, I'm going to place the elements of the second row, which are 3, -2, and 1, into the second column of matrix AT. Now the elements are 3, -2, and 1. I have just placed the elements of the second row into the second column. Now I'm going to place the elements of the third row of the matrix A into the third column of matrix AT. The elements are 4, 6, and 7. Now it's done. So the matrix AT is the transpose of matrix A. Now let's find the transpose of a matrix by interchanging column into rows. The first column of matrix A is 0, 3, and 4. Now I'm going to place the elements of the first column of the matrix A into the matrix AT to obtain the transpose of a matrix. The elements of the first column are 0, 3, and 4, which I placed in the first row of the transpose matrix. Now I'm going to place the elements of the second column of matrix A into the second row of matrix AT, which is actually a transpose of a matrix A. So the elements of the second column of matrix A are 5, -2, and 6. Similarly, I am going to place the elements of the third column of matrix A into the third row of matrix AT. The elements of the third column of matrix A, which are 9, 1, and 7. So the students, we have done the transpose of matrix A. I explained the transpose of a matrix with both methods. First by interchanging the rows into columns, and the second by interchanging the columns into rows. And you may have noticed by interchanging the rows into columns or by interchanging the column into rows, obtained the same transpose of a matrix. I hope students you may have understand how can we take a transpose of a matrix. In next lecture we will talk about another type of a matrix.